Here's an easy organization hack to help you hide the look of clutter if you have multiple pairs of sunglasses. Our entryway shelf was filled with them, so I looked around for some unused space and noticed this opening inside our entryway closet that would work perfectly. I went to Amazon and found these acrylic wall mount shelves. It was just under $40 for 6 of them, but I only ended up using 3 for now. And they come in clear, white, or black. I added them in my Amazon storefront under the home essentials list for those interested. It's linked in my bio. And they were really well packaged and came with the mounting hardware and easy to follow instructions, which was great. So before I started making any holes, I checked to make sure that there was enough space for the closet door to close properly. Very important step. And the tools that I ended up using on top of the hardware that it came with was a level, a pencil, a hammer, an electric drill and drill bit, mine are DeWalt, and a Phillips head screwdriver. I also recommend wearing protective eyewear, which I remembered to put on after shit started flying down towards my eyes while drilling. Best part? Oh, yes, if that doesn't toot your horn, I don't know what does. So satisfying, and this can definitely be a one-person job, though a helper wouldn't hurt, even just to share the arm workout. Alright, so let's talk about how to hang these bad boys. Basically, all you want to do is line the shelf up on the wall. You can use a level to make sure it's sitting evenly or just eyeball it if you like to live dangerously. Then with your pencil, mark the holes of where the screws will sit once you get it where you want it. You're then going to look at your drill bits and you're going to find one that's a little bit thinner than the anchors in the hardware pack that they provided because you want those anchors to sit in there nice and snug. You don't want it to just fall out essentially. I recommend starting with a smaller one and then making it bigger if you need to because you can't really do the opposite, you know what I'm saying? Once the hole's there, she's there. Then you grab the anchors and lightly tap them into the hole with the hammer until they're flush against the wall. Then grab the screws from the hardware kit and just get them half tightened before placing the shelf on the screws like it was going to be put in place. Then holding the shelf in place, screw them in the remainder of the way and you're good to go. Again, if your arms can handle it. Then you're left with a sunglasses storage solution that's easy to hide, but doesn't take up any valuable real estate in your home. Let me know what you think and follow for more.